Yeah, she loves that. My youth loves that too. Yeah, I love that. Hey, beautiful people. Creole boy there again. Hope everything good, everything irie. Hope one of the keep safe. We don't want the Creole vlog. So I have something special today. Morning. Just want to highlight this swing bridge. Morning city. In one of my videos I mentioned at the swinging bridge. Morning. Want to get removed starting in I think November, December to be replaced. So some real historical facts there with the swing bridge. That swing bridge. Morning city. Morning. The swing bridge get built. Morning. The England. And it gets shipped to Belize in 1922. So this is the swing bridge. And officially 1923 officially get inaugurated. So this is the swing bridge. So before this you had one wooden bridge right here, and then a little more down on my pass. I'm not sure if I have enough space because I have to kind of clean up this phone, but I show one of my videos already that that area used to hold one wooden bridge where they used to cross. So this pretty much going, and one new bridge will be replacing this one. So this already got refurbished probably about, I think, over if I'm not mistaken, over 15 years ago or more. Definitely more, no less. It took like 2 to 3 years for that get accomplished. So this bridge officially they are 1923, but they actually get put in place 1922. Get put in place 1922, and they get built that the England, that the British, the British Empire, England, London, England. And this is the oldest swing bridge in Central America. Nice historical facts. So people cross it without paying any attention. I know when I'm a young I put on a give tree, but real historical facts with this one. Now another historical fact we are running to. This is the Halova Creek, and the name more than likely get they put that name on it and they get it because before you had bridge you had to cross, right? Because literally the north side of our island, in our island it just get connected with different bridges, but our absolute island, if you don't know much, so I get the sense. I may mention it, I may do a leave vlog already on that in one of my videos. But our actual island, the north side of Belize City, are we connecting that to this side, the south side, yeah, that whole section, the bridges, that's it. That the absolute island, the north side, our island, that crazy. Then you going crossing the Haulover Creek, Haulover Bridge. Well, they're not the Haulover Bridge anymore, and I'm doing a walking video of that. Then you get past solid land. But this from the end over there to the Halova Creek, the new bridge when they put in place. That one absolute island, no relativity with that. Interesting, right? So the reason why I make this video, so it could be online, as long as online, the people look on it and pretty much remember. And I know you have other people when more than likely want to do it and not good, so that you know I could remember this to a point. The Belize Swing Bridge. And how I get the name, because I never even, the Halova Creek, I never even finished that story. People used to pull cow across, hauling across. Right there in a Creole, the haul, you haul something. In English, the pull. Right? Creole say pull too. You have to pull it, boy. But we are say haul too. Haul it. Haul it, man. Haul it. Haul over. So that's one of the history facts running to. I just want to share that with you guys. Excellent. So I can remember back in the day, I don't know if it still happened, but they used to swing this twice a day, in the morning and around 6. And meet you if you're later, I get cross, they run cross while the bridge is swing. That you have to stop, and depending on how much merchant or boat want to pass, now how long the bridge will take, and then the bridge go down, and boy, that's a thing. That's some interesting timing. So I want to get it on the other side. Gonna get it for a 2 section. And I get it one a little closer. Morning, General. Morning. Morning, Star. So this up on the other side. I do want to video with the bridge, because in November, December, start here that. And this there, for 1922. Yeah. So you did do a leaf fishing, you're a diver, everything cool. Sweet. You want to say hello to me viewers? You shy? No, man, on the right on it, man. So Bali kind of shy, but tell her the right side. So just say hello. He now one fisherman, diver, yeah. Cool. So I know I'll stay too long because the man can. I know how you feel, because I used to be shy too. Take care and thanks, man, to say hello, alright? And stay safe. Big man. Want to say hello? Yeah. So you're not a fisherman, right? Don't say it. So just say hello to me, viewers, name. Don't say it. No much at all. Respect. Take care. Alright, respect. Alright, so take care, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, so then guys, the fisherman, really nice individuals, really cool, and they don't give no trouble. They relax. A lot of people, I believe, look on you and judge you or whatever, but everybody cool, honestly. And a lot of people put up protection over there in front of them, because people treat you one way, man. So when somebody come or whatever, they have to get to trust you. You know how it is. But enough love. Alright, so just want to stop and show you. We cross the bridge with sorry. Yeah. This is how it used to be. And you see why they have to Morning. This is why they have to replace it. You notice it? Rusty. Yeah. You go in directly? Yeah. And it's the narrow as well. Yeah, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, so these are the historical Belize Swing Bridge for sure. Morning, mommy. Yeah. So back in the day, you couldn't put on your lights when you cross. You had to cut it off. So that the Belize Swing Bridge documented. Nice. Yeah. And this right here, this pretty much used to be where part one director of traffic, police department, used to stand and direct traffic. Cool. That building right there, that used to be the fire department. That used to be the fire department. So as a young kid, I used to always enjoying passing and watching the wildfire trucks. To me, never was. It looked beautiful. And our shuttle. Where you go? Straight, Papa. Yes, sir. Where to catch go to the two islands, Kikaka and San Pedro. All right. So make we take a wee walk. And for you guys who find yourself visiting Belize and you hear about the delicious meat pies, okay, so from the Belize Swing Bridge, you turn left on North Front Street like what we're doing right now. If you're walking, if you're waiting for the water taxis, which would be the one that I just showed, or the San Pedro water taxi, which is a little farther down, or yeah, down or up North Front Street, to take a casual little walk and get your delicious Dario's meat pie. So yeah, so what I can do is definitely show you guys that this will be the crossing area for the temporary bridge while the new bridge is being built, and the old bridge, which is the morning mom, which is the Belize Swing Bridge, get replaced. This is where you guys you'll be crossing right here, right there, over on the other side, the south side. And right here, like I mentioned, this right here, this used to be one of the first wooden bridge that the folks back in the 1800s they used to cross right there. All right, perfect, cool. So continuing with trip to Dario's meat pie. Morning. So old taxi man in okay way, they don't ask your taxi. You just know I had to film him. I mean, you could actually say I have one gimbal in my hand and one, you know. Well, if you're new school, your old school, you might not understand why they do. Maybe you think I need to go to a crazy house where they talk to one stick. But you old taxi man, you okay. Taxi? That cracked me up. Morning. So that's the old alley. So this is Whole Redeemer Credit Union. This is HRCU. So, if I'm not mistaken, this is Sides Lane. And that, my friends over there, that's Dario's meat pie. Right over there. Morning. Right over there. People getting their Dario's meat pie. Yeah. So if you notice, the sign is right there. Yeah. Morning, gentlemen. Morning. Just want to take a leave. So this right here are the prices. That's the price for one. Also, you have vegetables available on Saturday. Cool. Originally, that's the guy right there that started it all. Excellent. Thanks, man. All right, so that's Dario's. Say hi. Excellent.